Today we're going to teach on how to add free shipping over a certain amount on Shopify. The first thing you want to do is to press the settings on the bottom left corner of the screen, then select shipping and delivery. And from here, we're going to scroll down and create new profile. And from here, we're going to tap add products. And from here, if you have products, simply select and press done. Now we're going to scroll down once again and create shipping zone. Let's say that we're going to use these countries for an example. After that, press done. And after doing that, we're going to scroll down and you're going to see the option add rate. Going to put the rate name first, then leave the price at 0 and instead click conditions. Now we're going to press based on order price. So for example, you want a minimum amount to be $10. So once a person spends over $10 on the product, they're able to get free shipping. Then press done. And after that, we're going to press save on the top right. And that's it. That's how to create or how to add free shipping over a certain amount on Shopify. I hope this video helped and thanks for watching.